Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your responses after you've submitted a Google form. Whether you made a mistake or just need to update your information, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google form you've submitted. You can do this by clicking on the link you've received from the form's creator or by navigating to the form if it's publicly accessible. Now I'm going to quickly fill out the form and hit submit. Now for this to work, the form's creator needs to have enabled the edit after submit option. If you're the creator, here's how to enable it. Click on the gear icon at the top right. Under the general tab, ensure the edit after submit box is checked. Click save to apply the changes. If you're not the creator, you need to ask them to enable this option. After submitting the form, you'll see a configuration confirmation page. Look for a link that says edit your response. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you back to your submitted form. Now you can make any necessary changes. Once you've made your edits, scroll down and click submit again. Your changes are now saved. And that's it. Editing your response after submitting a Google form is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials.